Hi everyone. Today we are going to see about the atomic structure. Today's topic is atomic structure. In this topic, what we are going to see is what is atom, the basic information about atoms, and the concepts, the idea evolved about the atom and about its particle. Okay, let's get into the section. First, we should know what is atom. Atom is the building block of everything around us, whatever you can see, like a chalk piece or you like a canvas. It's also made up of atoms. Lot of atoms combine to form an element. Okay, atom is the basic unit of matter. Matter is nothing but the things around us is a matter. Okay, atom. The term atom is come from the Greek word which means indivisible. It cannot be divisible. It cannot be dividable. Okay, which is the apt meaning for the indivisible. Why it is considered as indivisible? Because it was once thought that the smallest thing in the universe, which is the very smallest thing in the universe, it was once considered as the very smallest thing in the universe. That is why everyone believed that atom could not be divided. But the idea of an atom, the basic concept of an atom, indivisible. Later it's get changed. Okay, we will see in this section. Okay, I will give you one example. You can easily understand what is the basic concept of an atom. Okay, you just think a building. Okay, you just imagine a building. The building is built by using a bricks. The bricks is formed in a particular shape. Okay, it's give the shape for a building. Okay, what is the building block? What is the basic unit of the building? Okay, it is bricks. Likewise, everything around us is made up of an atoms. The basic unit of an elements or things, whatever it may be, the basic unit must be an atom. Okay, did you clear about the idea of an atom? In a simple words, okay, just remember what is atom. Atom is the smallest indivisible particle which cannot be dividable. Its idea is further get updated. We will see. It's a building block, that is a basic unit, everything. Okay, now let us compare the size of an atom. Atom is the smallest thing. Everyone said atom is the smallest thing. Just we compare how small the atom it is. Okay, first let's compare the atom with the size of the thickest human hair. Okay, can you imagine which is the smallest thing, the atom or a human hair? Okay, here the answer is atom. Its average diameter is 1 in 10 power minus 10 meter, which is smaller than 1000 times, which is smaller than 1000 times than the thickest human hair. Now you get answer. Atom is even small than a thickest human hair, even very small, 1000 times small. Okay, the diameter of an atom is 1 into 10 power minus 10 meter. Okay, now let us compare the size of an atom with other familiar things like pencil, red blood cells, virus, and then dust particles. Okay, now first compare the size of an atom with a pencil. Pencil's diameter is 1 into 10 power minus 2 meter, but the atom's diameter is 1 into 10 power minus 10 meters. Don't confuse with the power values. If it is in a minus, if you have the high numbers at the power of the minus, it's considered as a small. If you have the positive number at the power of 10, it is big. Okay, don't confuse with it. Atom is the smallest thing compared to the pencil. Okay, look at the red blood cells. Atom is even small than a red blood cells. The diameter of the RBC is 1 into 10 power minus 4 meter. Virus, we can't see. You agree? All of you agree? We can't see a virus, but its diameter is 1 into 10 power minus 6 meter. Atom is even smaller than a virus. Okay, I will ask one question. Could we see the atom with our naked eyes? Okay, just imagine the dust particles. Okay, some dust particles we can see, but it's big in size. The smallest very fine dust particles size is 1 into 10 power minus 7 meter. Atom is even smaller than a dust particles. Here the structure of an atom. Okay, next we are going to see how the structure is formed. Overall give the idea for the structure of an atom, how the atom structures, the concept of an atom structure is evolved. We can see, we compare the size of an atom with the familiar things. From that concept we get an idea atom is the smallest thing in the universe. From the above studies we conclude that the atom is the smallest thing. Nowadays because of the advantage of the science and the development, even the smallest things than an atom is find out. You will study in a high class. Now we are going to see about the evaluation of idea of an atom. Okay, the idea of an atom, how it's evolved. You know, the scientific ideas are subjected to change. First, everyone said atoms are indivisible particles, but nowadays atoms have the, okay, everyone said there are a lot of concepts about the subatomic particles of an atom. Okay, even there are various parts in an atom. It's very smaller than an atom. Okay, first scientist who gave the concept of an atom is Dalton. Now we see the Dalton's atomic. According to Dalton's atomic theory, an atom is the smallest indivisible particle which cannot be dividable. It's spherical in shape. Okay, he states about or proposed idea about the size of an or a shape of an atom. It's spherical in shape. His theory does not propose anything about the positive and the negative charges of an atom. He was only states that atom is the smallest indivisible particle. It's spherical in shape. The next scientist who gave the concept for an atom is Thomson. According to his theory, he proposed the atom has a positive charged particles and the negative charged particles. In a Dalton atomic theory, he proposed the atom is the smallest indivisible particles which is spherical in shape. But after that, Thomson's proposed a theory. In this theory, he stated that the atom has a positive charge and a negative charge. This charged particles is considered as the subatomic particles of an atom, which is smaller than an atom. Okay, it is a part in an atom. Atom is the smallest thing. The part in an atom is even a very small than an atom. Okay, he give one example. His theory, Thomson's theory, is also known as a plum pudding model. Plum pudding is like a fruit type. Okay, it is also known as a watermelon model. Okay, you easily correlate the atomic model with a watermelon. Just imagine the watermelon, the fruit have the red parts and also seeds inside it. Okay, he compared the positive charged part is like a red part of a watermelon and like a seeds and negative charged particles called the electron. The positive charged particles are called as a proton and the negative charged particles are called as a electrons. Okay, he also proposed one very important concept. The number of the proton in an atom, the number of the electron in an atom is equal. Okay, if the atom have the 10 protons, it also have the 10 electrons. The number of the protons and the electrons are equal. So atom does not have any electric resultant charge. Okay, there is a no resultant charge in an atom. The next theory or atomic model is given by scientist Rutherford. Okay, so it is also known as a Rutherford model. He also proposed the atom is spherical in shape. Dalton also proposed the atom is spherical in shape. J. Thomson agree with that. Also Rutherford agree with that. Okay, the Dalton does not propose anything about the positive charge and the negative charged particles. But J. Thomson proposed the atom has the positive charge like a red part in a watermelon and the negative charged particles like a seeds in a watermelon. Okay, the seeds is randomly placed in a red parts. Okay, but in according to Rutherford's model, he gave the definite space for the positive charge and the negative charge. Okay, he allotted a space. The atom has the definite space for the proton and the definite orbit or a circular path for the electron. Okay, the atom is placed at the center of the in the atom, the positive charge is placed at the center and the negative charge is revolved around them. That is okay. For these results, for these models, in behind there is a lot of experiments. At the end of the experiment, each and every scientist give its model. It's just the outfit. What is atom? What are the particles? And what are the models in the evaluation of idea of an atom? Okay, we will see deeply in a next section. Okay, in this session you just get a outline of what is atom and how its concept and the idea is evaluated, what are the atomic models are proposed. Okay, I hope you are all understand. If you have any doubts you can ask me. Okay, to understand your understanding how much you understand the concept, I'll give some questions, try to answer it. The first question, what is the fundamental particles of matter? Okay, if you are clearly understand what I am saying, you definitely answer it. The second question, could we see atoms with the naked eyes? Okay, in the middle of the teaching session I'll ask this question. The last question, what are the subatomic particles of an atom? Try to answer the question. If you have any doubts, you will ask me. Thank you. We will see next class about the important concepts and how these theories are evolved. We will see in the next class. Thank you for listening. Hope you all understand what I teach in this section. Thank you.